Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue on from this UK business series I have started. The first video was the best UK small businesses to start. The second one was the best UK side hustles. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing the best UK online businesses to start. So make sure you stay tuned if you have ever been interested in starting and setting up an online business here in the UK, but you're not quite sure which one to go for. I'm going to be sharing the best ones that I have tried and tested myself. I have been running online businesses for 8 years now, and it's totally changed my life. I am an introvert, and I have found that online business has been the best model for me because I get to use that energy and that kind of extrovert side of myself because I'm like behind the screen. It has forced me to do more like in-person events and stuff, but I am more comfortable when I get to control the environment and I get to be like outgoing on camera and stuff. Whereas in person, you'll see I'm a bit more quieter until I warm up to people. So if you are an introvert like me, online business is going to be great for you to thrive in. And honestly, from the beginning, it's been a dream of mine to actually make money online. I know when I first had the idea of UK Curly Girl, I wrote it down in a journal and I knew that I wanted to make money from online businesses because I knew that it would allow me the freedom to be able to work when I want, schedule my own days out and actually work from different places and travel the world. Not that I've yet done that, but when I have actually gone abroad, I have been able to work from those places and put on events from those places simply because of a following and businesses that I've built online. So let's just get straight into the first business, e-commerce. Now, e-commerce is my first love. That is what I do for my business, Oso Curly, which is a product business, a hair accessories business. And e-commerce is basically selling products online. Now, you can do this in two different ways. You can do the drop shipping method, or you can do the, like direct to customer, sending out the products yourself or getting fulfillment to send them out for you. But ultimately, you kind of hold the stock. Whereas with drop shipping, you don't hold any stock. The supplier holds the stock and they send it out on your behalf. So you're like the middleman. I've not yet done drop shipping, but I have done Amazon FBA. I have done obviously my own fulfillment, and I have also used a fulfillment center for Oso Curly. So I have, a bit of experience in those side of things. But e-commerce I absolutely love because it allows me to be really creative. It allows me to connect with an audience and actually provide them with products that they kind of need. And that's something that I really enjoyed, kind of like bridging the gap and creating products from scratch that customers need and may not have and that aren't already on the market, along with products that are on the market that I can kind of improve or just provide for an audience and a target customer base. Now, e-commerce is not going to be easy. It is something that requires a lot of work up front. So you're going to have to do a lot of product research, a lot of research into your audience. You may need a lot of capital to be able to, invest in packaging, invest in the products, invest in marketing. And those are things that I cover here on my channel. So if you want more product business and e-com advice, definitely go ahead and check out my product business advice playlist. I will leave this in the description box down below, and that will just kind of dive into more on how to actually start a product business. But I am mentioning e-commerce as the first online business to start because it is a great way for you to actually make money online. Again, you can make money 24/7 thanks to platforms like Shopify, which is where you would host your online website. I use Shopify, and it's something that has really transformed my business and help my business to grow further thanks to the apps and the back end and just how easy it is to create a good looking online store. Now, it's super easy. If you are interested in Shopify for you to sign up, you can simply click the link in my description box for a free trial, and at the moment they are running an offer. You only have to pay $3 for the first 3 months of your business running online, which means that you get to kind of save money for the other things you need when you start a business. You need a lot of capital, like I said, so you'll be able to save on the first 3 months of running your business without having to pay the full price for your actual Shopify monthly payment. So I've never had to pay just $3 for my Shopify store, so I think that is a great offer. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because it is now currently live. So all you have to do is sign up for the free trial in my description box. Selling digital education, digital products. Now, this is something that, again, I have done, and I really like this business model because Anyone can do it if you have knowledge in a certain area, any kind of niche, whether it's hair, makeup, pets, graphic design, online business, anything that you have knowledge in, you can package up and sell in the following ways I'm going to share with you guys. Within this digital product niche and this product business, online business model, you can actually sell multiple digital products. For example, an ebook, you can sell an online course, you can sell a masterclass, you can sell one-on-one coaching, and you can also sell group coaching. Now, these are all things that you can actually run on your own. I have set these up via my Instagram page to market. I have created ebooks in Google Docs, and then I've put it into Canva. Canva is an online kind of like graphic design website that has a bunch of templates. So they have templates for ebooks, and I've just made my ebook, put it into Canva, and downloaded it as a PDF and then sold on via my website. You can use websites like Teachable, where you can actually create an online course where you just create video courses, put them up onto Teachable, and then you're able to package it to look really nice and professional, and then people buy it via your Teachable link. I have my course, How to Start a Product Business, and this brings me in income every single month passively. I only promote my course pretty much via my YouTube channel here and there. It's in my description box, it's in my bio on Instagram, and the sales come in passively without me having to actively promote it every single day. So that's a really good business model, and that's what I love about digital products. I have products that I'm selling on a 24/7 basis while I'm sleeping, while I'm awake, that I don't actually have to go ahead and pack. I don't have to go to the post office and send people my course physically. I don't really have to deal with too much customer service because a lot of the things are automated. So when people buy the course, Teachable sends it out to them automatically. So I don't have to do any of the back end of things. So that's something I really love about the digital product space. When it comes to more of the coaching and mentoring, of course, that is going to be you exchanging your time for money, but you can manage it in a way, you can cost it up in a way that is of a benefit to you. I used to do 1 hour one-on-ones. I don't do them too much anymore just because of timing. I don't have enough time to be able to like juggle that. I did group mentoring for a while this year as well, which I really enjoyed, but again, timing and with everything that's going on, it just didn't quite work in with my schedule. But these are all things that you can figure out whether it works well for you and your lifestyle. Affiliate marketing. Now this, at the moment, it has been proven to be my favorite online business because this is one that anyone can start. Your mom, your grandma, your brother, your sister, your next door neighbor, anyone can be an affiliate marketer. Anyone can start an affiliate marketing business, and that is what is amazing about this day and age and this way to make money online. With affiliate marketing, basically you are a middleman. You are promoting a product on the behalf of a business or a brand, and whenever someone buys that product via your link, you will get a percentage of the sales. You can sign up to platforms like Amazon Associates, Awin, Impact, Activate. I always get confused, it's like one or the other or both of them together, but within these you can sign up to programs for any kind of company you can think of, from Canon to Canva to Shopify. Even I, as a business for Oso Curly, I ran an affiliate program, so whenever bloggers or customers of mine wanted to refer their friends and family to Oso Curly, they would earn a percentage of that sales. If you have a big audience, or if you just have a good big friend base, you can actually just earn money from simply promoting good things to them. It's a win-win situation, and I just love affiliate marketing because you can wake up every day and see, oh, someone bought this, and you've earned something from that. Really love affiliate marketing, and I'd recommend that you look into that further. Let me know in the comments down below if any of these online businesses you would like me to do a individual video on, and I'll be more than glad to do that. User-generated content. Now this is one that is very different because me as a influencer, it's interesting to see how life is changing and how kind of influencers are being pushed out of the scene, and now more everyday people are being more valued than the influencer. So user-generated content is pretty much just everyday people that are very creative, that are talented at taking pictures, at videos, and are very personal, and You could simply just be good at speaking on camera, or you have a very relatable look, and brands will pay you at a cheaper rate than what they would pay an influencer, simply because they're not paying for your following, they're paying for the content that you create. So that is what user-generated content is. So when you are a brand, you obviously want to show people your products in the hands of a real person. And with that, you often need to pay people to actually review your products or use your products. With the cost of living going up and the cost of everything going up, brands can't really afford to be paying influencers as much as they did before. So this is where someone like you comes in handy, because you can break that boundary and kind of make money on a lower level. But if you build up how many clients you're working for, you could still make a decent income. And that is simply just by you creating reels or TikToks or any kind of content they require from you, and you charging a certain amount for that. Now, this is something that you can kind of pitch yourself to brands via your social media platforms, or you can actually apply for user-generated content roles on Indeed, on Upwork, and on Fiverr. Digital arts, digital prints. If you are an artist watching this, if you like to create really nice quotes and poems, digital art is a great way for you to make money online, because again, you don't actually have to keep making the art, printing it, and then sending it out to the post office to actually be delivered to someone directly. You can go on websites like Etsy and sell your digital print as a PDF or a PNG or whatever kind of file it needs to be on, and then that customer simply buys the PDF from you and they print it themselves. I have done this multiple times on Etsy as a customer. I've bought like really cute sayings and stuff for birthday presents, and this is something as a customer you can save, because you're cutting out the extra cost if that person was to actually print out the picture for you and send it to you. And as the artist, you are actually saving yourself time and money too, because you don't have to buy the materials and head to the post office and send all the time. Now, along with that, I am going to mention NFTs in this online business model, but I am not, an expert on NFTs, but I know that people do make a lot of money from selling like the digital pictures for NFTs. So if you are, quite talented in creating those kind of images, you could have a look into selling NFTs too. YouTube. Oh my, how I love YouTube. I have been on YouTube for 8 years now, coming up to 9 years, on and off in the beginning. I've changed my niche, I've kind of reinvented my channel a few times along the line, but I love YouTube. I remember when I was just doing it as passion, I didn't get paid from it, and now I do get paid from it. So this is why I do recommend it as an online business model. It's never been easier to start a YouTube channel. You can grow so much faster nowadays, because it's not just about how many subscribers you have, it's about how many views you have. And thanks to new things like YouTube Shorts, you can grow your channel really quickly just from doing shorts more than like the longer form content. And I did get a notification that you will be getting paid for shorts soon too. Now is the perfect time to start a YouTube channel because of these new features, and I just feel like it's a great way for you to connect with people online, share your experiences, share your knowledge, and again make a monthly income passively in a way, because you kind of do the work and you still get paid from it years later. I have been getting paid from old videos from years ago. Every single month it all adds up. There's like a snowball effect. If you don't want to show your face, there are many other ways for you to make money on YouTube. Affirmation videos without your face in it, the raindrop videos. I've been seeing this pop up on my feed so much, and I listen to them all the time, so I could so get how you can make a lot of money from it. The opportunities are endless here on YouTube, and it's definitely something that I think everyone should try at least once and just see where it takes you. Income opportunities for YouTube are great, because obviously you get paid every month from YouTube AdSense. You also get sponsorship deals, so that means that you can get a top up of payment from just promoting brands that you like. You can then also promote your affiliate links, so that's another avenue of money. You can offer any kind of coaching or one-on-one advice. You could create a course that you promote on your YouTube channel. And the thing that I actually really love and I am praying for and can't wait to finally hit is to when you get that play play button award from YouTube. You get the silver play button or the gold play button for getting 100,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers, and I just think that's such a nice touch to give back to creators who put in a lot of time and effort to help the platform grow. I mean, I think it's just something that's really special, and it would be good if a lot of platforms did that, but I'm just very excited that YouTube do that, and I can't wait to have my silver play button just hanging here. Those other online businesses that I would recommend you guys to start here in the UK, I have tried and tested, so they do work for UK residents. It's not hard to set up, and I think it's a great opportunity for you to make some extra coin during this cost of living crisis. So let me know in the comments down below what online business you're going to be starting or have started. Check out these 2 videos here, and guys, I will catch you as always in the next video. Bye.